Hi, my name is Jason Jell. I am the Vice President of Marketing, Product, and Design here at O&I. My curiosity for science began ages ago, as long back as I can remember. I remember when I was a kid, I wanted to originally be a veterinarian because I loved animals and I just wanted to help animals. And I thought it was the greatest thing in the world until my pet rabbit got this gross eye infection, and then I thought that I don't really want to deal with gross eye infections with rabbits. So I transitioned over to when I was in school. I really loved science. I had an amazing biochem teacher in undergrad, and that was kind of my drive to follow that. And I find that's you find people who inspire you, and you kind of want to follow suit with that. And he was fantastic, so I followed him, and I went into biology. I got an undergrad in biology, and I wanted to originally be an MD. And then similarly with the rabbit, when the rabbit got the eye infection, I started thinking I didn't want to work on people, but I could do research and I could have an impact on research. And I was super passionate about having an impact in cancer. So I went and I did grad school at Regional Cancer Center, Roswell Park Cancer Center, and I worked on prostate cancer and metabolism. I just wanted to make some kind of a difference. I felt like research was just a space that I could help and have some kind of an impact. So I stuck with it, and while I don't do research anymore, I stayed close to science. And I feel like even in my role today, I'm in marketing. It's not science in the same sense that science I used to do was but I feel like being in a life science company still means a lot to me. I can still have an impact, I can still work with products, but more importantly, I can work with people who share the same goals that I do. And I think it's through those people I stay close to what was important to me, and it's making that difference, having some kind of impact in healthcare and diagnostics and disease. So yeah, it's super, super important to me. It always has been super important to me to stay close to that. I haven't researched too much in a long time, but I remain very, very curious. I have the privilege today in my current role to be involved in product design, product development, and what I'm really, really interested in more often than not is the ability to create tools that help people do science better. Really focus on their curiosity, and I think it's important in my role today that I let people focus on what's interesting to them, be creative, ask new questions, try new things, and make it easy so they're not having to kind of think about how to stitch things together, think about the mechanics, the products, the technologies, and really, really just focus on the science. It's a science in and of itself, and I think the more that we do that well, the more we can help other people be better scientists. If I had superpowers, it would be enabling people to share and collaborate without restrictions. The one major barrier in science is there's so many scientists. I mean, there's hundreds of thousands of people doing science out there, but they're all in their own little worlds. And if you found some way to kind of bring people together and share that knowledge and collaborate, and you remove barriers of grants and funding and publications, I think we move 1,000 times faster than we're capable of moving today. I've always been a super curious guy, and I've always been lucky in that I've had the opportunity to try new things and do new things. I've changed fields multiple times, did different products, held different roles, and I like that about my own career, my own life. And I think that if I can continue to try new things and do new things, that will allow me to just remain fulfilled as a person. But I really hope too that I can continue to have this impact of helping other people. If I can do that, I would consider that a major success.